How to change background color in Google Slides. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can change background color in Google Slides, and this is how to go about it. First step is to open up your Google Slides just like I've done here, and then once you've opened it up, the next step is for you to select the document, the Google Slides presentation that whose background you would like to change. So after selecting the presentation, I have brought to the home page. The next step is for you to select the slide whose background you would like to change. Alright, move to the left side where you can see the slides listed, and then select the one whose background you would like to change. So after selecting the particular slide, then go to the top part of the screen where you can see options like background, layout, theme, transition. So just click on background, and then a box will be displayed at the middle of the screen where you can see color, image, resets to theme. So just go ahead and select color, and you can select the next color that you would like to use. So for example, black. As you can see, immediately I selected black, the color changed immediately. The same thing applies if you use, for example, red. You keep on changing. Blue. Then once you're done, click done, and as you can see, the color has changed. So this is it. Alright, this is how you can change background color in Google Slides. Very simple. So ensure you try this out. Okay. Thank you for watching and have a good day.